Hi, I'm Scott Ripley. I'd like to introduce you to our newest business unit within Cytiva, the Nucleic Acid Therapeutics business unit. Nucleic acid-based therapeutics in the form of oligosynthesized, oligonucleotides, mRNA, or indeed variants of mRNA have the potential to be a truly transformative new drug modality. Oligonucleotides are not new. They've been worked on by our customers for over 20 years, but more prominently we've started to see a good number of these coming to the market, and they're really starting to take traction. mRNA, as we all know, came to prominence through the recent COVID vaccine efforts, but let's not lose the sight of the fact that many of those manufacturers were working well ahead of the COVID vaccines to solve the challenges around cancer, gene editing, gene therapy. So there's a really powerful toolbox that our clients are working with to unlock the promise of nucleic acid-based therapeutics and vaccines. Our mission in the Nucleic Acid Therapeutics business unit is simple. It is to support our customers on that entire manufacturing journey from DNA template through to final filled product. My team, together with our colleagues in Precision Nanosystems, can support our clients every step of the way along that journey to enable the promise of nucleic acid-based therapeutics.